In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to change your WhatsApp number in the WhatsApp application without losing any chats or any other media like your photos or videos. So I'm going to show you how to do this on an Android device, but this is common for both Android and Apple devices. So if you have an Apple device, I want you to watch my video till the end also. So the first thing is get hold of your device and open WhatsApp. Now, in order for you to ensure that you have all these chats on your new number, along with the media and everything like photos and videos or files and whatever, you would need to do this. Click on the menu icon or the three dots. You get a drop-down menu. Click on settings. Scroll down a bit. Click on chats. Scroll down a bit and then click on chat backup. Here you need to checkbox this, include videos, and if you have an option to include photos or whatever it is, you could also checkbox that, and then you select the Google account that you want to back this up to. So let me back up to this one. Okay, and the backup is going to go to Google Drive. All right, just scroll down, click on continue, and then you complete the step by clicking on backup. And within few seconds, the backup is going to be created to that specific email account. Okay, so once your backup is complete, then you get back to this page and then you click on menu again, click on settings, and then you click on account, click on change number, click on next. Here you're going to be given an option to put in your new number. So select your country code, put in your new number, click on next. If the new number is in the current device or phone that you're using, WhatsApp is automatically going to verify and update your number. But if the new number is on a different phone, you're going to get a code out there. You need to put in the code on the application out here and verify your account, and your number is going to be changed. This is going to hardly take few seconds or a couple of minutes. Once your number is changed, you are going to see the same chats and everything out there. Give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.